Diglipur we are having Asia's largest mangroves over there.
And I think we're here, I guess. We got our tickets and we're heading back on the government ferry. Here are the tickets. What is the cost of the ticket? Each one? 560 rupees is the ticket cost.
We saved like 700.
700 bucks we saved.
Yeah, saved 700.
So look at the queue. Look at the queue.
Thank you. He's smart guy, man.
Yeah.
He's smarter than you and me.
I know. May not be better than you. You are the hero.
Chalo. Ferry ka time.
That's the Bambuka ferry which we are going to board right now. Incredible India. So we are trying to have our breakfast on this deck. Got some samosa. Breakfast on ferry. Yep. Samosa. Look at how our boat is creating a disturbance in the water. Look at the water. That's the seats where they are seated. So this is the design of the ship actually. You can see? You can see this design? Yeah. So where are we seated, do you think? We are at the lower deck, right? This is the seating accommodation. I think we're here, I guess. Main deck, but we are down, right? We are on the ground floor.
Yes.
So yeah, 1 to 74 seating space, and then ours is 91, 99 and 100, right? Yeah, so here there are 58 passengers, so we are here out there at the lower deck. So this is the...
Very nice.
Yeah, it's very smelly out here, kind of. So we are heading to our lower deck. So this is the way to get out of the ferry. It's too dark. Finally, out of the Bambuka. Oh yeah. So we were a little bit not satisfied with our scuba diving. Personally, it was good though. It was our first experience. We'll come back again. Definitely, we are going to do it again. Maybe at a better place. Definitely.
Not in Andaman. I'll do it next in Maldives.
Maldives. Okay, chalo. Next time in the Maldives. So we are heading out right now. Azza bhai. So finally, heading back to the airport. That's it, man. That's the end of our trip in Andaman.
Goodbye to Port Blair.
Goodbye to Port Blair as well. Chalo. Let's go to Guntur, Ponnur. Come on. Let's go. Silver jail, where all our freedom fighters were being kept at. So this is called as Karapani of Port Blair. So inside it is the jail actually. Standing in queue to get inside the airport. SpiceJet is our airline.
So finally we have landed in Chennai International Airport, and we have headed back to our hometown. So do you want to say something, Ramesh? How was the trip?
Yeah.
Maldives. How was the trip? We are planning for the Maldives.
Without uncle.
I'm out of the trip.
Okay, no worries. So it was amazing.
Yeah, that was an amazing trip actually.
Yeah.
It was very good.
I know.
And we left off some places because we want to visit it again. So many places we have left it off. Williams Island something.
Where two islands meet, and then that's the end of Andaman.
Yeah.
So we'll go
That
there
is the end of not Andaman. That is the end of India actually. That is the India border. Diglipur, right? Diglipur.
We'll go to Diglipur
Next time we are going to visit Diglipur because in Diglipur we are having Asia's largest mangroves over there, and there are some turtles which they are laying eggs. I mean, what do you say? The hatching place. Turtles hatching place, and there are a lot of places to explore in Diglipur actually.
Right. We'll go there next time.
Yeah, and one more. Rosensmith Island is there. In 3 Idiots, we'll see the climax scene was shot over there.
Right.
So next time we are going to visit there.
Okay. So yeah, that's it. So let's head back to our homes. Chalo. Bye.
Chalo, Zik.